Today I am going to reveal my desk setup. You can see in the behind, this is my desk setup where I edit my videos and upload as well as develop my website. You can see my website anfasahamed.com, link in the description. $1,300 desk setup. You can see the desk setup here. This is my desk setup with a TV, mouse, keyboard and my main laptop. The depth video of these products are in the below description, and I will link in the end of the video so that you can continually watch the whole series of my desk setup. And first we will go through the main gear of this desk setup, that is our HP laptop, i5, 8GB RAM and 1TB hard drive, and Intel UHD graphic. And this laptop cost me around $600, which I was using for the last more than 2 years, where I used to edit all the videos up to now and develop my website and do my college work and do programming and web searches and run this YouTube channel and many more works. Our TV is from Sharp, 32 inch. It has a long model number. I will put the link in the description. And it's 32 inch 1080p display. The in-depth review is, again, there is a video. I will link in the description or in the end of the card. The TV is around $200. And the next is the Dell mouse and keyboard combo. Both of them are from Dell, and those are very easy to use and it's budget friendly. It's around $5. In the end, we will add the cost of this desk setup and let's do a calculation. And the next is our desk, that is from a brand called Dumbro. It's also a very good desk with 2 drawers and an empty space here where I used to keep my books for my college and some of my reading books. Like I recommend like Rich Dad Poor Dad, one of my favorite books, and many other books are here. And my stationaries like pencils are in my pen holder. It's from IKEA and it's also around $5. And we have the IKEA desk lamps behind me. Let's light it up and see how the light is working on. Let's turn off our main lights. It's off. This is how I work in the night time. Now let's turn it on our main gears and turn off this light. And there are some other products which are like small product, mouse pad and the cooling pad for the laptop. And the next product is the speakers from Tech Pro company. It's also around $5. I am using because it outputs a good amount of sound, better than this my laptop as well as my TV. So I am using that speaker. It's also a budget friendly. The desk is around $250. It's also budget friendly, and I am willing to upgrade to a sitting standing adjustable desk in the future. Let's see how it's going. And I am willing to upgrade my laptop also. Be subscribed. There are so many videos coming up. Don't forget to like this video, which will help a lot, and that's what encourages me to upload more videos. And guys, the next one is the chair, which is adjustable. Now I have locked to this amount of adjustable, and we can release and we can go up to a good amount of back, and it is very long where I can rest my head. There are some chairs where they can't rest the heads because we sit for a long time while editing, like more than 5 hours it happens to edit a video. So in that case there will be back pains and neck pains if you don't have a good seatable ergonomic seat. And it has hand rests. Those are not adjustable, and we can also adjustable the height. And that's my desk setup of 2021. I was about to release this video the end of 2021 December, where I uploaded continuously about this mouse, keyboard, TV and all. This video took a long amount of days to produce, so it took some time. And thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.